E aí galera, a gente não tem com mais um vídeo do canal. Venho agradecer aí os 1.200 inscritos e muito obrigado a todos. Espero que gostem desse novo vídeo. Não sei se o ângulo da câmera estava bom, porque foi o primeiro vídeo gravado com a GoPro Session. E primeiro vídeo meu também com a 4freaks, eu tava muito empolgado e não deu pra mim gravar ele bem bolado, mas espero que vocês gostem e vamos lá pro vídeo. E não se esqueçam de se inscrever no canal, deixar seu like e ativar o sininho de notificação. Então, vambora, rapaziada.
Ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. You were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot. I did. And now, when all is done, there is nothing to say. You have gone into effortlessly. You have won, you can go ahead, tell them. Tell them all. Told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. Tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops. Write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and the heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them all I got would be impossible. When it comes to love, I did.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross all the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around me. It's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. And hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Be faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just tripping on day dreams, got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.